What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. I'm here at Sarasota Cars and Trucks. You can see that up there. I guess my car lot, guys. Got my cars here. Just getting them all kind of lined up, ready to go. You know, for the shoppers that come drive in. Getting them all priced up right. Ran out of these stickers. I don't have enough to make the prices right, so I got like those white chalk markers. So I wrote it on there. I'm kind of digging that. I don't know, kind of digging that. I think it works. What do you guys think? Comment below. Let me know. Looks cheesy? If that looks cheesy, well, most of you guys probably think us used car salesman guys are cheesy anyway. But anyways, I wrote some website on the back too, a little SRQ, carsandtrucks.com. I know, shameless plug. But anyway, guys, here's my my social medias, not my social, but my social media info somewhere on the screen. I'll put it somewhere on the screen here. And I think we might head over to see, I don't know, I'm not gonna tell you guys, because I don't know if I'm gonna head over there, but I got a nice little treat for you. So hopefully we head that way, and I probably screwed up with the title anyway and the thumbnail, so either way, let's see if I head over there, because I don't know if I'm gonna go over there yet, Nat, so I gotta get in here, finish some paperwork up. Guys, check this out. I got any Benz friends? Any people like Benzes? I gotta get rid of this thing. Got it on consignment for a friend. I got it listed on SRQ, carsandtrucks.com. I think we're selling it for like 25 grand. It also comes, you got these wheels, and it also, yeah, this is already sold, all you Lancer Evo guys. But it also comes with the AMG wheels, man. You get a set of AMG wheels, stock AMG wheels for free. SRQ, carsandtrucks.com. If you're interested, I'll ship anywhere, guys. I'll ship anywhere. Either way, hopefully we can head over there. I'm gonna text them. I'm gonna see if we can go that way. It's exciting, because I'm excited to see this car, and I know a lot of you guys are excited to see this car because it's all over the internet. So it's good. Either way, I'm not gonna hold it out. So hopefully I screwed up with the title again, like I said. But don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, leave comments below. Make sure you share this video, man. Let this get out. Let everybody know about this vehicle as long as we go see it. So I'm gonna text them. I'll let you know. I'll be back. Oh my God. Look at the two-tone. We gotta get this wrap off. I can't even hear myself. Nice. Oh, we're going for a ride in this, folks. I told you I had a surprise. Ooh. Man, look how clean it looks now, huh? It was messy the very last time I actually saw it in person.
You got so much more room in here now.
Definitely needs a good detail on it. But use a customer.
I'll bring it. I'll get Bungie to detail it real good for you, man. That's what I pay him for.
Well, once it wraps off everything, it'll get a nice.
Yeah. Bring it by. I'll get him to do it. You want to ceramic coat it?
It's already ceramic coated, but it needs.
Oh, the black paint is?
Yeah.
Okay.
It needs a good paint correction. It's been a while, and there's a ton of rock.
Hey, you were saying so that
those
BMC
turbos.
filters, are those the best?
What?
That's a air filter.
Nasty.
AEM.
You got the pace car. This thing's cool, man.
Everyone. What up?
See,
Good, bro. How you doing?
four of them, man. What year is it?
92.
We're hopping in cars. It's my boy's birthday, so we're gonna do that first. A little surprise birthday for my boy John. Happy birthday! We're gonna go drive to the spot. We're surprising him big time, so no taking cars, so he'll know. He's here. Be quiet. He's here. Danny, be quiet. Shh. 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 Surprise! It's about to go down. Hello? Surprise!
Happy birthday!
Yeah, buddy.
Happy birthday, Johnny! Happy birthday!
I know, I'm sneaky.
Let me say hi to everybody.
Oh, you got all the candles
Blow
out.
candles out. There it is.
We're like, never mind, we don't have to be here at 12:45, you can be here at 1:30.
I mean, John, if you make us wait one more hour, I want to drink all your booze. I'm about to be in there. I'm about to be in the pool. You shit down there sleeping on that swan with a bottle of wine in my hand.
Thank you, everybody. Everybody, thank you.
Birthday man.
The best birthday ever.
Drink up, man. Drink up.
Whose idea was it?
Sore, so I'm like, okay. I'm gonna stop.
Two-tone
Just start
sexiness.
picking at it when I'm talking to
Rap,
people. I'm just
no
like,
rap. Rap, no rap. Yeah, let's just peel this panel off right here. Just start it right here.
please.
Let's
please
peel
do.
it apart.
Just stand behind
Look. Oh, he put like little carbon fiber cover things on it.
They were on there before.
No, I never seen them. Well, were they really?
Well, yeah, and I just cut the holes in them for the exhaust.
Oh, so those are there. That's just where you put the hole on it.
There's vents there for.
Yeah, it's weird being in the. I can't hear anything. I can't hear anything. Nothing. So loud. It's crazy. It's kind of weird being in the front. I never heard an exhaust in the front of the car. You guys hear this thing? Bonkers loud. I'm going the wrong way here. The wrong way in the parking lot. We gotta follow him back to the party. We gotta head back to the birthday party. Off we go. He's gotta finish that, taking all that wrap off. I gotta shift. You can't really film and shift. It doesn't work out. I can't film and shift. It's too hard. So he pulled away. He's behind me now. You can literally hear these turbos unspooling when he lets off it. It's crazy, crazy loud. Well guys, back in the car, heading back home. Birthday party's over. Had a good time. Of course, you got to see that nasty LS Swap Twin Turbo E63 Amg. Make sure you follow him on IG. I'll post his little IG somewhere on the screen so you guys can make sure you follow him. Stay tuned also for a ride along video. Right now the car, he just got it. He's got to take a light at first. I believe he's waiting on a, I want to say a tensioner belt or something, he said. Because he's blowing belts right now because that thing makes a lot of power. So he's blowing some belts. I think they just need to get like a, I don't know, what did we get, a thicker belt maybe? So it doesn't break. So you can't really get on it yet, but even with light throttle, that thing sounds nasty. On idle, it's so loud. So guys, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. We're gonna get some more videos of that nasty AMG 63 on the channel. And appreciate everyone. And I'm out.